Hey everyone, welcome back to another capable tutorial. I'm Jack, and today we're going to dive into an awesome feature, our visual diagram editor that's based on Excalidraw. And I'll show you how to easily add diagrams directly to your Confluence pages. Whether you're working on process flows, wireframes, or brainstorming ideas, our visual editor makes it super easy to create professional, hand-drawn style diagrams right inside Confluence. And it's designed to be intuitive, with drag and drop functionality, libraries, and you can quickly sketch out your ideas without needing any technical expertise. So let's jump in and I'll show you just how easy it is to create and embed diagrams using our visual diagram editor. So on this page called System Architecture, I'm going to first create a diagram of our network infrastructure. So I simply type /diagram and select Capable Diagram from the list. And this will present me with two options. I can either select the visual editor or the code editor. And in this case, we're going to go with the visual editor. And as you can see, this has opened up a full drag and drop interface where we can add shapes in various sizes to our page. And we can zoom in and pan, change colors as we'd like. So let's take AWS, for example. Let's say I'm drawing an architecture diagram. So let's call this AWS wireframe. And the first feature I'd like to show you, in addition to the shapes that we've got here, shapes and arrows, as well as drawing, we can also import libraries. So let's click Add Library, and I'm going to search through our massive library of libraries here. I'm going to search for AWS, and I'd like this serverless icons v2 one here. So I simply click on a library to import it, and as you can see, it's shown immediately on the right there, and I can drag these straight onto my page. And if I pin the library, I can now keep that to the side and quickly draw out my diagram here. So I'm just going to go with a pretty typical architecture, just to show you how easy it is to set this up. So we're just going to add a few of these. I can use my copy and paste here, and then I can use the arrow tool to actually drag some arrows onto here. And as you can see, as I drag these arrows, they're actually attaching themselves to these objects here, which makes it really easy to move this stuff around later on. So there we go. I've got my diagram. And as you can see, when I move the diagram elements around, it nicely sort of reflows those icons, those arrows accordingly. And I can get this looking, just how I'd like it. So another feature is we can either show the grid or hide it. So it depends how you'd like the diagram to be shown. And we can also configure the font style that we'd like. So we can either have the nice sort of scribble font, which is good for rough diagrams, or we can go with a more professional look here by selecting the normal view mode here. And you can rinse and repeat this as many times as you'd like with different libraries. There's a whole host of libraries here, from technical diagrams to more fun diagrams, and also mock-ups. If you're a designer, you can quickly grab screens or mobile phone frames for drawing mock-ups and wireframes. So it's just really easy to configure this, and really easy to modify this diagram to how I'd like. So I'm going to click Insert, and this now is going to save that diagram to the page, and it will present us diagram here. And all I need to do is click Update, and we've just created a lovely diagram with Excalidraw here, which we can drag and drop, we can zoom into, and we can also view it in the maximum size here. Allowing us to quickly sort of view a more complicated diagram there. And the last feature we can do, we can also download this diagram as a PNG. So we could use it elsewhere really easy, really interoperable with other systems like that. We can also edit that diagram really easy. Just click on the edit button and we're back here in the editor. And that's just how simple it is to create and edit diagrams in your Confluence pages using our visual diagram editor. Whether you've been building architecture diagrams, mockups, or anything in between, this tool makes it easy, fast, flexible, and fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Confluence tips, tricks, and productivity hacks. Let us know in the comments what other features you'd like us to cover next, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.